Hi, my name is Ian. In this video, I'm going to talk about why is it important to reflect on colonial history and how imperial processes shaped both colonized countries and the colonizers. Okay, first, why is it necessary today to critically reflect on nations' colonial pasts? It helps us understand why the world is unequal today. Many problems like economic gaps, discrimination, and cultural loss didn't just appear randomly, they have roots in colonialism. Reflecting on the past helps us avoid repeating the same injustices. It also gives us space for people whose histories were ignored to finally be heard. It's necessary to reflect on colonial pasts because many issues we deal with today, like inequality or racism, are connected to colonial history. By learning about what happened and being honest about it, countries can move forward in a more fair and respectful way. Okay, second question. How did imperial processes influence the identity of colonized countries? Colonizers often forced their language, religion, education, or culture and the people they ruled. This caused the loss of local traditions and languages. It also mixed cultures, creating new identities. Many countries still carry parts of the colonizer systems today, like schools or laws or borders. Imperial processes shaped colonized countries by changing all what was mentioned before, and even governments, how they worked. Many traditions were pushed aside and people had to adapt to new systems. Okay, third question. How did imperial processes influence the identity of colonizer countries? Colonizing gave these countries power and wealth, which spread their nation pride. They built identities around the idea that they were superior or more civilized, which affected their culture and worldview. They also absorbed foods, ideas, and cultural elements from the places they colonized. Today, many colonizer countries are rethinking their history and how it shaped their national identity. Colonizer countries were also changed. Their wealth and power grew because of colonialism, and that shaped how they saw themselves. Some developed a sense of superiority. At the same time, their culture changed too. Today, many of these countries are trying to understand how colonialism shaped their identity and how they can deal with that history more responsibly. I'm sorry. And in conclusion, understanding colonial history is important because it affects our world today. Imperial processes shape both the countries that were colonized and the countries that did the colonizing. By talking about these things openly, we can work toward a more equal and respectful future. Thank you. I'm Ian Kilkenny. This is my essay.